Now we are going to see the third system of classification, that is the phylogenetic system of classification. This phylogenetic system of classification has been proposed by means of the many authors. The many authors such as Younger, Hutchinson, Tipo, Taktajan, and many others. Means this system is formulated by means of the many authors: Engler, Hutchinson, Tipo, Taktajan, Prantl have contributed for the formations of this system. This system is based on evolutionary trends. The system is based on the evolutionary trends. Means genetically from one generation to the another generation they are present. It shows the phylogenetic relationship and sequence of the characters. Means as in human like the father's father, its daughter or child. As the characters carried in one generation to the another generation, the characters, the evolutionary characters are considered for the formulations of the system of the classification. Here the primitive and the advanced characters are taken into consideration for the formulations of this system, and as they are classified on the basis of the evolutionary trends. Means primitive and advanced characters are taken into consideration, taken into consideration for the formulations of the systems. They are accordingly or partially according to phylogenetic system basis and natural, according to their natural systems they are categorized. Means for the formulations primitive and advanced character taken into consideration, but according to natural characters and partially phylogenetic characters are taken consideration, because here the previous exist plants are not well fossilized. Therefore, it is a very difficult to take the characters of the evolutionary or phylogenetic, because these characters are not well fossilized. If these plants are well fossilized, then we can study the phylogenetic, it is the evolutionary trends from the different plants, but it is very difficult. The plants are not well fossilized. Therefore, according to natural characters and partially phylogenetic basis, the plants are taken into consideration. Here, main important primitive and advanced characters are taken into consideration. Important focused primitive and advanced characters I am going to tell us here. Unisexual and naked flowers, they are developed on the catkin inflorescence, is considered is most primitive, and others inflorescence type, they are derived from it. Means the flowers are unisexual, either the male flowers or female flowers present, and the flowers are naked, unisexual flowers present, naked flowers are present only on the catkin inflorescence, and the remaining inflorescence, that is racemose, cymose, and special type of the inflorescence, they are derived from this catkin inflorescence. Then monocotyledons or plants are more primitive. Monocotyledonous plants are more primitive and dicotyledonous plants are derived from the monocotyledons. Monocotyledons, here mono means one, cotyledon that is the seed. Seed consists only one cotyledon is considered as the monocotyledon. Means here wheat, jowar, rice, these plants comes under this monocotyledon. Different grasses, this comes under this monocotyledons. They are very much primitive. And dicotyledon, di means two, cotyledon means seeds. Means formulations, the seed characters is considered here. Seeds having the two cotyledons, these are derived from this monocotyledons. Means monocotyledons are the primitive one. The ovules are derived having the axial placentation is more primitive one, and the other placentations are derived from this axial placentation. Flower with many flowers. Flowers with many floral parts are more primitive. The flowers with polypetalous forms are more primitive. Flowers with many parts, floral parts, and primitive. Means in the flower there are many parts, that is many carpels, many calyx, many stamens. The carpels and petals, the sepals and petals, they are free from each other. These characters, they are considered is more primitive than the few and gamopetals characters. Means many characters, they are primitive, few characters are advanced. Characters are considered into the formulation of the systems. Here, unisexual flowers are more primitive than the bisexual flower. Means on the basis of the evolutionary traits, their relation to the traits, phylogenetic traits, and sequence of the characters, primitive characters and advanced characters taken into consideration. Because primitive characters here, the plants are not well fossilized, therefore phylogenetic traits are not available. Therefore, according to their natural and partly the characters they are taken, phylogenetic traits are considered, and the system is proposed, formulated by different scientists, by it is Engler, Hutchinson, Tippo, Takhtajan. Then the basis, the primitive characters and advanced characters where they consider Engler and Prantl take part. Engler and Prantl, they are the German botanists. They grouped together, both worked together, and they have carried out the primitive and advanced characters focus, and the system is modified by the two systems, Engler and Prantl. Therefore, the system, phylogenetic system of classification, is also known as the Engler and Prantl system of the classification.